2, 3, 4. I can't make it if you leave me. Hi, welcome along. Sorry Suzanne by the Hollies we're going to be covering today. Big hit for them way back in 1969. If you like what you see, don't forget to click like and subscribe for me, as it helps me grow the channel, which in turn helps me get to bring you more guitar-based tutorials. And while we're on that subject, every Friday, as you know, every Friday at 5, we're going to be going through the big hits from the 60s and the 70s, and every now and again I throw in a cheeky little late 50s rock and roller for you as well. Now in this video we're going to be going through all the chords, the strum pattern, and I'm even going to throw in how to play the lead guitar solo as well, so make sure you stick around to the end. So if you're ready, go grab your guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Right, so first off, let's get stuck into the intro, which goes like this. Right, let's show you how that's done. So first off, we've got a C chord, and the strum pattern is down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Which makes up actually 99% of the song, to be fair. So anyway, it starts with a C, and we're going to go C to E7, 2, 3, 4. C, E7, then F, down, down, up, and then we're going to go take the first finger away so that it makes the low E play open. All down strokes, down, 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 and then up to the G, down, down, up, and then we're going to go down, then open A, second finger, second fret of the A string, and then that brings us back to the C. So we've got... Okay, so let's take you through that again. So we've got C, 2, 3, 4. C, E7, bar of F, G. I can't make it if you leave me. There we go. So that brings us into the verse. So that's the intro. Here's the verse. So we've got C, E7, A minor, C7, F, F, G. Then back to C, E7, A minor, C7, F, F, G, G, C, 2, 3, 4. Then we drop down to a D, which brings us into our next bit with our our little finger on the 3rd fret of the E string, and we're going to go down, up, down, so on, off, off. Okay, so just take you through that section one more time. C, 2, 3, 4. I can't make it. E7, A minor, C7, F, 2, 3, 4. And I knew I was G, G. Forgive me, C, E7, A minor, then C7, F. And then to G, and then to C, D. And that brings us into the next bit, which is I could never ever justify, that bit, which is a G. Goes like this: G, B minor, F, E, A minor, D, G, D, 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 A minor, D, A minor, D, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, G, 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 G. And you know the way to do that lead in bit, because we did it with the intro. And then that brings us back into I can't make it if you leave me, yeah? So one more time quickly. We've got I could never ever, which is G. And then we've got B minor, justify. F, all the tears you made you cry. A minor, but I do regret it. D, my Suzanne. And then back to D, you gotta believe me. G, I was looking around for B minor, someone new. F, what a foolish thing to do. A minor, and all the time I D knew it. A minor, heaven knows what D made me do it. Go G, go. And that's the whole song. So let's move on to how to play the guitar solo. Right then, so the guitar solo for Sorry Suzanne sounds like this. Right, so let's show you how that's done. So first off, it's 3 sections. First section is on the 5th fret in the 5th position. And what we're going to do, we're going to start off on the 5th fret of the G string. And we're going to put our 3rd finger on the 8th, 7th fret. And we're going to bend up. So first on the 5th fret and then on the 7th fret. And then it's 1st fret E string, 8th fret B string, 5th fret B string. So we got, and then 7G, 5G. So all together. And then we're going to bend up again, and then hold it for longer. So it goes. So all together we've got. So that's the first section. Then we're going to move up to the 8th fret, and we're going to slide with our 3rd finger from the 8th fret of the B string up to the 10th fret of the B string. Nice and quick. And that brings our 1st finger in line to play the 8th fret of the E string. And then back to the 10th fret of the B string. So we got, and then drop down with our finger, up, so we like that, on the 10th fret of the E string, 8th fret of the E string, 10th fret of the B string, back to the 8th fret of the E string. So we got. One more time. And then the final bit, which is 8th fret E string, 10th fret B string, and then we got a bend up on the 10th fret of the E string. So play it and send it up, and then play it when it's down. 8th fret E, 10th fret B. Got that, and then we move up. 3rd section, we move up so that our 1st finger is in the 10th fret. So this 10th position, and we've got this bit that goes. Which is a hammer-on on the D string, between the 10th fret and the 12th fret. and then first finger on the 10th fret of the G. And then we're going to bend up on the 12th fret of the G string. So all together that goes, and then that's the E string on the 10th fret, which is the 13th of the B, 10th of the B, 10th of the G. So that little phrase all together goes, and then we sort of do it all again. Yeah? So all together that section would go, and then we've got a little rundown that goes from 13B, 10B, 12G, that is the 9th of the G, 12th of the D, 10 of the D. So, and then finishing on the 12th of the A, and then we've got this other little phrase. So let's just give you that little rundown again. So it goes, one more time, and then we've got a hammer-on thing that goes on between the 10th of the A and the 12th of the A. So it goes, and then 10th of the D, and then we've got a bend up on the 12th of the D string. So it goes, just to finish. So that's a pull down bend on the 12th fret of the D string, and then play it again and let it back up, and then 10th of the D, 12th of the A, and then finishing on the 10th of the D. So all together then, so there we have it, Sorry Suzanne by the Hollies, an absolute classic. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comments section below, along with any other song suggestions that you may already have for songs you'd like me to show you how to play in a future video. If you've liked today's video, please can you do me a massive favour, click the like and subscribe button. It helps me grow the channel, which in turn helps me get to bring you more guitar-based tutorials. So until we meet again, 50s, 60s and 70s on Fridays at 5. I'll see you in the next video. Take care guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.